This is not an anti-meat video. For thousands of years, humans were hunters and gatherers. Meat and animal fat were our main source of energy. But everything changed with agriculture just 10,000 years ago. With it came cereals and later, in the Industrial Revolution, refined carbohydrates. The human diet changed radically in a very short time. And do you know what happened? Our health began to deteriorate rapidly. Think it over. In less than 100 years, the massive consumption of flours, sugars, and ultra-processed foods has perfectly coincided with an outbreak of modern diseases. Since 1960, cases of type 2 diabetes have increased by more than 700%. Global obesity, which was just 13% in 1975, reached 39% in 2023. And that's not all. Cardiovascular diseases, certain types of cancer, and autoimmune disorders have reached numbers we had never seen before. Coincidence? It seems unlikely. But there is a recent phenomenon that challenges everything we know about nutrition: the exclusively carnivore diet. Perhaps you have already heard about it. People all over the world, even well-known and respected public figures, are reporting surprising benefits from completely cutting out fruits, vegetables, and carbohydrates to exclusively eat meat. Jordan Peterson, the famous Canadian psychologist, and his daughter Michaela Peterson are two well-known cases. Michaela claims to have overcome a debilitating juvenile arthritis, a deep depression, and a chronic fatigue that dragged on for years. Jordan Peterson, for his part, claims that this diet gave him back a physical and mental energy he had forgotten and radically stabilized his emotional state. But they are not isolated cases. Thousands of people tell similar stories. More energy, less inflammation, mental clarity, and even improvements in conditions they thought were incurable. What does all this really mean? Is it possible that thousands of people simultaneously experience a collective illusion? Or could there be something profound and true behind these stories? The key question is, what does science really say about this? To understand if these benefits are real or just a simple coincidence, we need to examine something fundamental. What happens inside your body when you consume carbohydrates? Because maybe the real problem is not the meats, but something much more silent and deeply integrated into your daily diet. Every time you bite into a slice of bread, taste that rice accompanying your dish, or enjoy a juicy fruit, you're sending clear signals to your body. Signals that could end up being stored in your waistline or even worse, in your arteries. When you consume carbohydrates, your body quickly transforms them into glucose, which is the immediate source of energy for all your cells. So far, everything seems harmless, even necessary. But the problem arises when you consume more glucose than your body can use at that moment. At that precise moment, your pancreas releases insulin so that the excess glucose gets quickly out of the bloodstream and does not cause damage. And do you know how all that excess glucose ends up exactly converted into body fat? This process, scientifically known as lipogenesis, occurs constantly on a carbohydrate-rich diet. But there is something even more concerning. If this process happens day after day, year after year, your body starts to develop insulin resistance. The insulin stops working properly, and you need increasingly larger amounts to control blood sugar levels. But here comes the real metabolic trap. This insulin resistance triggers a silent and devastating chain. As insulin in the blood constantly increases, your levels of triglycerides and LDL, popularly known as bad cholesterol, also rise. Over time, this LDL cholesterol begins to accumulate in the walls of your arteries, forming dangerous plaques that slowly obstruct your blood flow. This process is known as atherosclerosis and is directly responsible for heart attacks, strokes, and cardiovascular diseases, the leading causes of death worldwide. The ironic thing is that for decades we were taught that animal fats were to blame for these diseases. But modern scientific reality is revealing something very different. It seems that refined carbohydrates might be silently but steadily fueling this health crisis that affects millions worldwide. But now a reasonable doubt arises. If eating carbohydrates causes this damage, what happens then if you eat only meat? Wouldn't that make the situation worse? Shouldn't it dramatically increase your cholesterol and health risks? The answer is much more surprising and hopeful than you might imagine. And to understand it clearly, we need to explore in detail what really happens inside your body when you consume exclusively meat. Could meat be a forgotten fuel that our body was always ready to use? That is precisely what we will discover in the next chapter. For thousands of years, we were hunters. We depended almost exclusively on meat to survive. Our bodies evolved precisely to make the most of this valuable food. So why then are we afraid to consume meat today, as if it were dangerous for our health? Let me explain how your body actually processes meat. When you eat meat, especially fresh red meat, your body breaks it down into essential amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks for repairing muscles, organs, and tissues throughout your body. Those amino acids not only constantly rebuild your body, but they can also be effectively used as a source of energy. But here's something fascinating. When you mainly consume meat and restrict carbohydrate intake, your body enters a state known as ketosis. In this state, your body begins to burn fat efficiently, transforming it into ketone bodies, a clean and stable fuel for your brain and cells. This generates constant and long-lasting energy without the sharp rises and falls that carbohydrates produce. Additionally, meat is one of the most nutritionally complete foods you can consume. It is rich in very high-quality complete proteins, hemi-iron with excellent absorption, vitamin B12, essential for the nervous system, zinc, fundamental for the immune system, choline, which improves brain functions, creatine, which boosts muscle energy, carnitine, which optimizes your energy metabolism, and omega-3, especially if you include fatty fish and animal organs like liver. You might be wondering, isn't meat inflammatory as we have been led to believe? The reality is quite the opposite. Recent studies indicate that diets high in fresh meat, without refined carbohydrates or ultra-processed foods, not only do not cause inflammation, but can significantly reduce it in your body. This could explain why many people report improvements in autoimmune symptoms, inflammatory or digestive, when adopting a strictly carnivorous diet. But surely there is still a sensitive issue that worries you. What's up with cholesterol? We've been taught for decades to fear animal fats due to their high cholesterol content, but modern science reveals something crucial. The cholesterol you consume in your diet doesn't have a significant direct correlation with blood cholesterol. In fact, numerous studies show that people on exclusively carnivorous diets may have high levels of LDL, the cholesterol considered bad by many, but these levels are accompanied by high HDL, the good cholesterol, and remarkably low triglycerides, forming a metabolic pattern that could protect against cardiovascular diseases. In other words, perhaps the real enemy was never meat. Perhaps the problem has always been elsewhere, in that constant excess of carbohydrates that has been silently wearing down our health. Meat might not be the danger we thought, but rather the forgotten fuel our bodies have always been prepared to utilize. Now then, knowing all this, it's normal to wonder, how could one begin to experience the benefits of an all-meat diet without taking risks? Precisely, that is what we will address right now. What if I told you that there is a clear, safe, and effective way to radically transform your body, regain constant energy, mental clarity, and possibly improve your health in just a few weeks? Would you be willing to try it? To follow a carnivore diet properly and obtain these surprising benefits, the first thing is to have clarity about which foods to consume. The key is to choose fresh meats, especially red meat, rich in healthy fats and essential nutrients. Additionally, you can include quality eggs, fatty fish full of omega-3 and salt to maintain a proper balance of minerals in your body. But it is also vital to understand which foods you should eliminate. Completely avoid ultra-processed meats, deli meats with preservatives and additives, as well as any industrialized sauces or foods with hidden sugars. The goal is to return to the most essential and natural possible, avoiding anything that harms or alters your metabolism. When starting this diet, you will experience an initial adaptation period, commonly known as keto flu or ketogenic flu. During the first days, you may feel some fatigue, mild dizziness, or headaches as your body adjusts to using fats and proteins as its main fuel. But do not worry. This phase is temporary and can be significantly alleviated by ensuring proper hydration and supplementing electrolytes like sodium, magnesium, or potassium. It's very important to responsibly monitor your health. Before starting an exclusively carnivorous diet, it is ideal to undergo a medical evaluation to verify your initial condition. Throughout the process, keep in contact with a health professional who understands this type of nutrition to ensure your body responds favorably. Listen carefully to your body. Feeling good and having constant energy is the clearest sign that you are on the right path. If you do it correctly, in just 1 or 2 months you will start to notice visible and profound changes in your body. First, you will experience a noticeable loss of body fat, especially abdominal fat. You will also feel sustained energy throughout the day, without the constant hunger or exhaustion dips you had with carbohydrates. Your skin will become clearer and healthier. Your digestion will be lighter and more stable. You will sleep better, and you will probably notice that your mood and concentration improve significantly. You might even be surprised to notice how inflammatory, autoimmune, or digestive symptoms you've been trying to control for years start to reduce or even disappear. It's as if you were returning to a natural balance, the one your body had lost with years of unbalanced diet. In the end, adopting a carnivore diet is not a passing fad. It is returning to the very root of what has made us human all along. Perhaps not everyone is ready to take this revealing step, but those who have dared and done it well rarely go back. And you? Would you be ready to rediscover the health and energy your body always should have had? The decision is yours. If you want to learn about more diets like this, visit our health coach at tuvisalud.com. Here you can clarify all your questions about this topic. Share this video with family and friends. I would appreciate it very much to continue creating valuable content like this. See you in the next one. A hug.